Lecture number 6. Good morning, class. In this lecture, we are going to start the square root of to find out the square root of a perfect decimal number. Okay, perfect square decimal number. So let us start with exercise 3C. The first question, first part 152.7696. 152.7696. Exercise 3C, question number 1, first part. Okay, for that we have to follow the same method. 7696. Okay, by division method. Okay, we have to group up the number in two ways, before the decimal and after this decimal. Okay, for the number after the decimal we have to follow the right rule, and for this we have to follow the left rule. Okay, like left and right, and basically we have to group up the number in two ways. First one, then rest of the number is digit is 1. Okay, now we have to use the basic method or division method. 1 is into 1, that is 1. So cross 52 now. 1 plus 1 2, 22 into 2 44, then 8. Okay, 76. Now put point here, because after that we have decimal, and so we have to put the decimal here. Now 22 plus 2 24. This is 876. Okay, so 3 we have to multiply by 3. 3 3 is 9, and this is 72. 792. Now 76 minus this 47, and 8 minus 1 147. This is, we have to add 6 4 2, and 147. Now carry out both this 9 and 6. Now we have to multiply, the last digit is 6. Okay, for that, for 6 the only one digit is 6. If you multiply 6 by 6, then we find out the number. The last one's place digit is 6, so we have to multiply it by 6. 6 is 36. Okay, 6 is 36. 6 is 36 plus 3 39, carry 3. 6 was 24 27, then 2 carry 6 is 12, and plus 2 14. 12 plus 2 14. So this is the complete solution of. So after point we have to add 3 and 6. So this is the square of 12.36, or we can write it as under root of 152.7696 equal to 12.36. Okay, now next fourth part, 291.7624. Again we have to make first of all group 2 and then 1. Okay, 1 into 1 1. Now add both, 1 plus 1 2, then 91. Okay, 191. Now we have to multiply it by if you multiply it by 7, so 27 into 7. So multiply it by 7, so this become 189. Then 189. Okay, now 2 carry, so add 17. You know, so the square of this 17 is 289. If you remember this, then you can easily find out this is the square of 17 point something. Okay, if you remember the square of the 17, then 276. Now add, this is 34, it become 34. Now we have to place if you place 1 here, then we have to multiply by 1, but this is less than the 1, so we have to add 0 here and here also. 340. Now carry both the term, take here 24. Now what we have to multiply, the last digit is 4, so either 2 into 2 or 8 into 8. We have to multiply it as 2 into 2 4, or 8 into 8. For that If you multiply 2, then 34 into 2, that becomes 68 into 4. So this is lesser than this, so we have to multiply by 8. 8 8 is 64. I think solution, the question is last is 6 4 actually. Okay, so this is 6 4. So 8 8 is 64. Okay, 8 4 is 30. Sorry, one more mistake. We can change this question. Okay, 7 to 4 6 is the actually question. So this is 2. So 8 4 is 32. Then 3 carry, 8 3 is 24 and 3 27. Okay, so this is the square of 17.08, and we can write it as 291.7264 under root equal to 17.08. Okay, like this. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, the 8th part, last part is this. So first of all we have to make group. Okay, then 0, first is 0, so start with the 0. Then we have 3. Okay, this is 3, so we have to multiply it by 1. 1 1 and 1. Okay, this is the 0 for this. Then 1, then carry 2 31, 1 plus 1 2. Now what we have to multiply? We know 27 into 7 189, so we have to do 8 8 8 is 64, 8 2 is 16 and 6 22. Okay, so this is 724. Now add both the term. 28 plus 8 36. So what we have to multiply? 2. Multiply it by 2. 362 into 2 724. So this is the complete answer. Okay, now what we have to add? 0.0182. So this is the solution of this question. 0.000333124 is written as 0.0182 under root of this. Okay, so rest of the part you have to do in your fair copy. Okay, student, next second question. We have given that area of a square field is 577.4409 meter square. Now we have to find out the length of the square field. Okay, so we have to assume that let the side of the square field be x, then area equal to side into side. Okay, side into side means side square. So x square equal to, we have area 577.4409 equal to x square. So we have to find out the under root of this. Okay, for the length, side or length. Okay, we have to find out length, so we can take it as 577.4409. Now we are going to find out the square root of 577.440. Okay, same we make the group first, then multiply 2 into 2 4, then 177, 2 plus 2 4. Okay, 44 into 4 176. Now 1 and take both the digits. 144, 4 plus 4 8, 4 8. Okay, so this is 24.144. So either we can take here 1, so it become more than 144, so we have to take 0 here and 0 also here. We have to place 0 in both the case. So 14409. So but we have only 2 cases. Either it is 4803 because 3 into 3 9, 3 0, 4 6 144. So this is the complete solution. So we have to multiply it by 3, 14409. So this is the square root of 24.03. So the length of the square field that is x equal to 24.03 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 3, first part we have to find out the square root of 7 up to the 2 decimal places. Okay, so start with this. First we have to divide it by 2. 2 to the 4, and as we know, this is the 7 is between the square of 2 and 3. Okay, 4 and 9. So our answer must be between the 2 point something. Okay, so 3. Now take point here, 2 to the 4 and place 2 0. सिमिलरली जैसे हम डिवाइड में करते हैं, एक प्लेस लेके हम एक जीरो ऐड करते हैं, एक पॉइंट लेके, यहाँ पर हमको स्क्वायर में हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, आपको हमेशा 2 डिजिट प्लेस करनी है. ओके, जब भी हम पॉइंट लाएंगे तो 2 जीरो प्लेस करें. 4. नाउ अब हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, now we have to place a digit so that the product of this number with the digit must be less than 300. Okay, so we have to place 6. 6 6 are 36, and this become 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. Okay, so carry is 24. Now place 2 0 again, so 6 plus 6, this is 52. Similarly, we have to follow the rule as we followed in division, but here we have to place always, you have to remember, always you have to place 2 digit at a time. Okay, either 2 0 or any 2 number. Now we have to multiply by a digit so that it must be less than 2400. Okay, if you multiply it by 4, okay, so this become around 2000. Okay, so 2096 actually this is, so we have 304, and if you multiply it by 5, so this become 525 and 26 to 5. So this is larger than this number, so you have to multiply by it, multiply it by 4. So answer is, sorry, wait. Understand? So under root 7, the value of under root 7 is 2.64. Similarly, we have to find out, we can find the value of 32 179. Now we take fifth one. Okay, 7 8 9. Okay, start with 2 into 2 4. Okay, 3 8 9, then 2 4. Okay, so now we can multiply by 9. 9 9 ja 81, and 9 4 ja 36 plus 8 44. This become larger than this, so we have to multiply it by 8. Okay, 8 8 is 64, and 8 4 is 32 plus 6 38. So 384. Now we have 5 00, place 00, and here we have to place decimal. Okay, now 48 plus 8, so this become 56 and 500. If we multiply it by 1, then it become 561, which is larger than this number, so we have to place 0 here and also 0 here. Now we can take here 00. Now multiply it by 8. Okay, at least you have to multiply, you have to remember this thing, either the multiplication of both the number must be less than this number. Okay, this is the only required thing here. So 8 6 is 48, and 8 5 is 40, and 44. Okay, if you multiply 5 6 0 9 into 9, then 1 8 and 56 into 9 is 504. So this become more than 50,000, so we have to multiply it by 8. So this is our answer. 28.08 is our answer. Okay, thank you so much.